Hi. Are you looking for best treadmill for small spaces? Choosing the best folding treadmill for small space is not an easy task. We have spent countless hours researching and analyzed many customer reviews to find the best model. These models also have been reviewed by our fitness experts with many parameters. So, if you choose from these models, you can be sure that you buy a great product. Number 5.
Pack a powerful cardio workout in your own home with the SFT 4400 motorized treadmill. Shock absorption technology paired with a sturdy frame, this treadmill pushes you to your limits in complete comfort. Challenge yourself with the motor that can reach speeds up to 9 miles per hour. Increase your workout intensity with 3 levels of manual incline. Check your heart rate or increase your speed instantly with the handrail pulse sensors and quick select buttons. Glance at the multifunction backlit console to track your time, speed, and calories burned as you exercise. Vary your workout intensity by using the 9 pre-installed cardio programs. Stay engaged with your favorite apps with the tablet holder, or cool down with the convenient bottle holder. When not in use, fold up the treadmill and move it out of the way with the transportation wheels. Train to become better with the SFT 4400 motorized treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.
And these are ratings given by our fitness expert. Number 4. These are ratings given by our fitness expert. Number 3. are ratings given by our fitness expert. Number 2. And these are ratings given by our fitness expert. Number 1. And these are ratings given by our fitness expert.